Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms. In this tutorial video, we will take a deep look into UiPath. UiPath is a robotic process automation (RPA) software platform that enables users to automate manual, repetitive tasks quickly and easily. It allows businesses to automate mundane tasks, freeing up their employees to focus on more important tasks that require more creativity, judgment, and decision-making. Stick around and watch each and every video in this UiPath series to receive the most benefit from it. We are going to talk about the following topics in this video series. RPA and roles of RPA. Version management, repository management, scraping. Component of UiPath. Screen scraping and data scraping. Deposit transaction, RPA challenge. Excel automation. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel to know more about such interesting technologies. Watch other videos in our Upptalk channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com. Let's get started.
With the concept about, okay, today I'm going to cover about what is RPA, okay, why
Sure.
RPA,
Hmm.
okay, what are the use cases in
Okay.
RPA, okay,
Mhm.
and then tools about RPA,
Sure.
okay. Then
So
I'm going to talk, yeah.
So
Yes.
do you want to write me, or it is? I think it's okay. Recorded. I can see the
No,
next.
I will share you this notepad to you.
Okay. That's.
No need to write it. Okay. So, and then I'm going to show you the tool about UiPath. Okay, how the UiPath tool works. Okay, how that looks and all this thing. Then we will decide. But you can. I want to learn UiPath Studio or Studio X. You can make it comfortable.
Okay. No issue. No.
Okay. Right. Yeah. Right. So let's start now.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So now when you talk about Ajit, what is RPA? See, when you talk about RPA, it's nothing but robotic process automation. I think this, maybe you think, Manjula, this, I know it, why you're talking about it.
No. I want to learn from the scratch. It doesn't matter.
Okay. So
Because
when I
sometimes,
say,
yeah.
So when I say robotic process automation, okay, you all heard about the word called robotic process automation. I'm talking about.
Automation. Yeah.
So when you say automation means what? It automatically executed. Yes or not?
Yes.
You know that there are two type of automations we have. One is called traditional automation. Okay. And one more thing is called a robotic process automation. So when I say traditional automation means it fixes it. Let me take an example. You know, I think you're coming from finance background. You know that, macro. You heard about macro, right?
Sure.
So you heard about macro in Excel?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So
very
but
well.
see, you created one macro. Can I use macro in any other application? Like for example, you created one macro. Can you use that macro to interact with your SAP application?
No, cannot.
You cannot do it. Can you use that macro for your Outlook? No, right?
No, cannot.
So macro is very specific to one particular application. That means it is very specific. It is oriented to one application. That is nothing but it is called Excel.
Yeah, sure.
Excel, not right? But my day-to-day work is what I want to interact with all the application. Okay, that I want to clear it. Every day I'm not working only with Excel. I want to work with SAP. I want to work with Outlook. I want to download some PDF or Excel file from some web applications or window application, right? I want to write something on the text file. I want to write with something from the Word document, or I want to work. See, I'm talking about different application, right? So in my day-to-day process, every day morning I will come to office, means once I open my laptop, I'm doing this repeated work. Okay, just remember Ajit, you're doing some repeated constant work. constant work you're doing every day.
Correct.
Right? Maybe that work you may take 2 hours, or you may take 3 hours, or you may take 4 hours. Okay, that 2 hours, 3 hours, you're concentrating on the same repeated work. Okay,
Sure.
what will happen, Ajit? I think you will be bored up after some 10 days or 20 days of that same repeated work.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes or no? So
Yeah.
when you get bored, what you will do? There is a chance of you're feeling tired. When you do feeling tired, what you will do? You will make a mistake.
Sure.
So what will happen if you make a mistake? There is an error.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a false of data. Okay, so that's the reason that technology, right? They brought up the product called robotic process automation. Okay, what is robotic process automation? It automated your repeated process. What is RPA? I told you what is RPA. RPA is nothing but robotic process automation. It automate your repeated work. Okay, that means whose work? Human works I'm talking about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, human work, whatever the data, whatever work you're doing, it is done by the human, which is a repeated work on different platform. That I want to underline. Different platform or different application. Got it, Ajit? So
Yeah.
I'm repeating this action. I'm repeating this process in a different application. Okay, so that I want to automate it. So for that only RPA can help us, Ajit.
Sure.
Okay, so what is RPA? RPA is nothing but it automate your repeated process on a different platform or a different application with simple rule based. Okay, with a simple rule based so a simple rule based means what? We'll write some condition, right? See,
Correct.
you want to perform the transaction process means that you don't want to perform all the transaction process. You will set some limitation, right? That is
Sure.
what we call a simple rule based
Simple
on
rule.
a structured data. That please underline the word called on structured
Data.
data. What do you mean by structured data? Which human can identify it. Not
Sure.
human, I'm talking about the machine can understand. The robot can understand. Robot can easily understand Excel. Robot can easily understand text file. Robot can understand PDF. Okay, but one challenge is no, Ajit, robot cannot understand images.
Oh.
Okay, so for example, you are getting invoice from the customer. The customer is sending the invoice in the form of scanned document. What type of scanned document it will be? It will be like a picture.
Advice. Yeah.
Yes or
Yeah.
no? So you cannot automate on a unstructured data. Please underline the word RPA cannot. RPA cannot automate on unstructured data. Okay, what do you mean by unstructured data? That is, I'm talking about images.
Images.
Okay, so that's only we have some limitation RPA. RPA can automate the repeated process on the different platform, different application with a simple rule base on a structured format. But RPA cannot automate on an unstructured. Yes, now you may be thinking about why can't I use OCR? You heard about OCR?
Yeah.
What is OCR?
Optical readers, I think, no?
Exactly, correct. Optical character recognition. You know that in the beginning generation, that is before this one technological IDP, IDP, intelligent document processing.
Correct.
Okay, before the technology comes, people try to extract information from the images by using OCR technology. Okay, but OCR, what happened? It gives only 30% result. Yes, you see, I have some invoice detail, but if my quality of the document is really good, that means I'm talking about the pixel, the quality of the images is really good. In that also, I can extract only how many percentage of data?
30%.
30%. But do you accept it? Okay, Manjula, 30% data is, I'm fine with that. Remaining 70%, I will do it manually. Do you accept that?
No.
No. What do you want? Every organization will fight for you. Even your manager will say, I want 100% result. Yes or not? So that's only what happened. There is one document, one more product, one more technology called IDP. Okay, what is that we called as? Intelligent intelligent document processing.
Yes.
Okay, this is it. It is used to extract or automate the data to extract. Okay, but it will give you, I'm not saying that it will give you 100%, but I can expect that based on the tool you're working on it, Ajit. There, you know that today on demand in the market, one is RPA, one is IDP, one is your data analysis. I think you maybe, I don't know, sorry, what is your age? I don't know. Maybe your coming generation, your kids and maybe you have to think about what is your now this is in the market in demand. Okay, the people who know good knowledge on RPA, AI, machine learning, data analysis, data science, there are demand in the market now.
Yeah, that is actually you asked me the right question. Right now, actually, we are in the organization. Right now, I'm 50, around 50, but the demand in the organization is coming now. So
yes, exactly.
So the people in our company are between 40 to 50 and sometimes 55 also in the department. The company is introducing first to you learn, then we will go for the outside, because we know all the processes for the companies, how the company is working. Because if you buy a new person, first he will understand the process. It will take time. So the people currently working in the organization know the processes. So, but now they need to learn the technology only. So it is good for them to learn only technology, and the processes we already know. Now we have to automate the process. So this is the benefit for the company. So when our corporate meeting was done, our CFO is told us we want to use our existing resource to use this technology.
Okay.
Because the market, when we buy the new person, ultimately we explain the processes. So it will take time. So it is better the existing people learn it and try to implement these processes.
Okay.
So this is one of the reasons.
Yeah, so that's one. So when you talk about this is what RPA. So now what happened? RPA is a combination of, see, when you talk about ITB, 80 to 90% of data is extracted successfully. Okay, but that again the challenge. There are different tools are in the market, Ajit. Like you maybe, I don't know whether you heard about IQBot, Hyperscience, Antworks. These are the product in the market which is used to extract information from the unstructured data.
Okay, you can write it, because you are saying that I'm not technical.
Okay. So there are Antworks. Okay, IQBot, document understanding.
Okay. Frankly speaking, I am not.
Okay, Hyperscience.
Yeah.
These are the product. These are the various product in the market now. Okay, so many products are there, but now these are the top product in the market. Okay, so that is what I want. So you understood, Ajit, what is RPA? RPA is nothing but it automates your repeated work on a different platform and different application with a simple rule base on a structured data. So you understand? Okay.
Yeah,
but why we need RPA? Okay, why I'm doing it? You may be thinking I'm doing my day-to-day work. Why the technology comes and disturbing a thing? And some people have the bad thinking about that. If RPA comes in the industry, it will replace a human being. There will be a layoff will happen.
Yeah, that is the common question, and that is
everybody have that common question. Not at all. See, every organization is thinking about one thing. I'm talking about, whenever I talk about RPA product, I have a good experience. I did multiple POC also, proof of concept for a various clients. When I talk about the RPA product, first question they will ask you, Manjula, if I automate, you are telling that use RPA in your organization, in my organization, will that layoff will happen after or automating all the process? Not at all. See, what organization will think about the employee? Every company will think about positive, think about the employee. See, I don't want Ajit to do the repeated work. Okay. So I want Ajit to use some productive work. Okay. See, Ajit is doing some certain task for 2 hours and 3 hours, that to repeatedly every day. Okay, 2 hours, 3 hours, I'm using it. right? So the 2 hours I want to calculate it. We call them as return of investment.
Correct.
Okay, so human I'm spending for Ajit for this 2 hours $20 per day. Okay, so like that, if I calculate for some 300 days of 250 days, how much revenue I'm spending for only one person called Ajit. Okay, like this, if I have 10 people in the department or 100 people in the department, they will calculate like this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
And
so
frankly, yeah. Frankly speaking, when this type of meetings is done, we also asked the same question with our corporate finance. So he's saying that he also replied me, this is not a part of the layout. Basically, we want to improve the quality of our existing person.
Exactly.
Because
Quality. Yes,
yeah,
very true. Quality, reduce timing. That is one thing, reduce error. Okay, and what is the advantage of RPA? Why RPA is, it is not for the replacement of people. Okay, just one thing is productivity work.
Yeah.
Okay, reduce, save time. Okay,
Correct.
no errors. Okay, so very important thing is productivity work. No save time, no errors. Why when we talk about productive work means, that's only I told you. So I don't want Ajit to do this repeated task. These 2 hours, Ajit can do the other work.
Sure,
See,
sure.
if you are given some 10 work, Ajit. Okay, for this 10 work, you are able to do only 2 to 3 works in a day. Okay, what about the 7 work? The 7 work will be waiting on your life in your queue, right?
Correct,
So what
correct.
you will tell to your manager, sir, this 3 work I completed because I have this much of time only, right? Every human being will work maximum 8 hours. You cannot
Correct.
work 24 hours in a time. If I give 24 hours, you will finish all the 10 work, but you will work only 8 hours. But in this 8 hours, how much time work you can finish it? Maximum 3 to 4 works. Remaining 4 works, what you will do? You will postpone it.
Sure.
Or you will take it in the next day. Again, like this, the job will be going on, postponing it. So that every conversation thinking that why we need to do this, why can't you automate this process? So I want this person to do some productive work. See, I'm not telling that RPA can do all the process automation, Ajay.
Yeah, sure.
This is completely technology, right? Do you think that everything we can automate it? No, there are sometimes where human inputs also required, right? So what I will do, some job will taken by the bot, some job what I will do, when the bot is doing that work, I will do some other work. When the robot required me, then I will interfere it. That 2 hours I'll be doing some other
quality
job.
work.
Quality work. So that's only we say that it is called as a productive work.
Yeah, sure.
And it saves time also. See, I'm telling you that I'm not saying that your capability, a person can take minimum, the data entry job, right? See, when I'm taking just one example, this is my transaction detail, Ajit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the data. Like this, I will get from my different customers or from a different department. Okay. This is my application. I'll tell you. This is my application. Okay. Where the user will log in. What is a login? Admin, password. Okay. I'll log into the application. Can you see cash in, on US check, not US check, and click the accept button?
Accept, yeah.
Okay. Now this is my Excel data. Now I have Excel data. I want to read this row I want to transfer the data from Excel to this application. I want to upload the data. Okay, can you see it's similar like your SAP application only?
Yeah, almost.
Okay. So I will enter the data here. Come on, tell me if I do that manually, how much time I will take it, Ajit? Think about the 17 transactions.
17. If I take 30 seconds, maybe 17, maybe 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes you will take it. If I do the same job by the robot, you know how much time it will take? It will finish in 2 minutes.
Oh.
It will finish in
2 minutes.
2 minutes. So you are taking that 15 minutes means if the robot is taking 2 minutes means how much time we are saving?
13 minutes approximately.
So that 30 minutes is, you may be thinking, oh, Manja, 30 minutes is very less, but that 30 minutes is valuable for all your organization.
Sure. That is not
Yes or not?
that is not creating value addition because this is just data punching.
Exactly. See, the 30 minutes is valuable for you because your company is a manufacturing company. Every customers will reach out to you every minute seconds. Yes or not?
Sure,
So
sure.
I want to save the 30 minutes of time. How I can save this 30 minutes of time by creating this robotic process automation.
Hmm. Got your
Got
point.
it? Got it, Ajit. So
Yeah.
I'm saving the time. Okay. Next, error. When you talk about error, why you are Manjula? What I won't make a mistake. I'm very strong enough. I will concentrate and I'll type it. You know, human being can make a mistake.
Sure. That
Yes
is
or not?
that
See,
is
when
true.
you are doing some regular, daily repeated, boring job, what you will do? There is a chance of making a
Yeah.
mistake. But
That's
automation, yeah. But when you talk about robotic won't make a mistake.
oh,
Okay, so that's why there is no error, no
hmm.
boredom. When you give boredom, you will make an error. When
Sure.
that is concept, that is right. That is what we understood it, right?
Yeah.
So that is why we need RPA.
Sure.
Understood? Any question? I'll put a pass here. Do you have any questions?
Not yet. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, when you talk about use cases, where are the RPA is used? Any idea, Ajit? What do you understand? What is your knowledge? What is your idea? Where they are using RPA?
Actually,
Any idea?
yeah, right now we want to use. You mean to say RPA where we can use or where we are using?
Where are we using it? In which industry they are using? When you talk about RPA, is it used only for specific vertical? When you talk about vertical, no, like HR processing.
I think
Okay,
it can be
one
used.
example I tell you, SAP application, right?
Mhm.
SAP is used for mainly which type of data, Ajit?
This is financial, HR,
Ah,
PR, MR,
mm.
basically material, CPC, manufacturing, all vertical.
Okay,
You can
only
use.
when you talk about maximum 30 to 40 verticals, right?
Yeah, it can be used.
Is there not SAP application?
Yes,
Okay,
sure.
okay. Let us take about the Salesforce. Salesforce can use for what? Customer management.
Because yes,
Yes or no? But
yes,
can I use Salesforce for HR processing?
not cannot use.
Not. So when you talk about each and every application, when you talk about Salesforce or when you talk about SAP application or when you talk about CRM, you know that these are the application are very limited process, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's already designed. Okay. But when you talk about RPA can use on any verticals, Ajit.
Mm, okay,
Any vertical. Okay. See, I can use RPA for my personal work also.
okay, yeah.
Okay, when I'm talking about personal work means every month I want to order in my let me take imagine that as I'm a housewife. Every day I see every month then I want to order some list of things.
Ah, yeah, sure.
Everything I have it in my mind. So I'm using regularly that GeoMart or Amazon or something like that, right?
Ah,
So I can what I can do it. I'll just click one button. It'll automatically pick up whatever item I want to order it. It'll automatically I will do transaction and it fill it. That's it.
that is interesting.
Yeah, that I can do it. Why I need to depend on every? I know that this is a month end list I have it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Every month, do we or if you want add it, yes, you can add it. That also there is no limitation. We can add it.
Mm, mm.
So
But
I don't want to sit in my before my Amazon open the Amazon selecting each month this item and book the order. That I don't want it. By clicking
mm,
one button, automatically it log into my Amazon website, select whatever item I wanted, and automatically it will perform the transaction. You know that now we are using credit cards only,
yeah, yeah,
right?
sure,
So
yeah,
I have my own laptop now. Even kids also having the laptop, right? So
yeah, yeah,
housewife, why can't I have it? Right? I
yeah,
will do.
sure.
I will run my just do run one click, open the
Yeah,
robot, click one click, automatically I will get all the items in the market.
yeah. That's interesting.
So that why I'm telling you this is Manja, you're telling some funny reason for that, but I'm
No,
telling
no,
you
no.
this is
No,
what
this is not funny. This is actually very small thing you can do. Then a big thing easily can be done because this is
exactly.
logic. This is the logic. So if logic is clear, then you can do the everything.
That's
You're right.
what. So
Yeah.
when you, I think when you go to some other trainer, they will say that use cases about your Manja, they will say that it is used in HR processing, it is used in finance, it is used in medical, it is used in what I can say hospitalization. It is used in what I can. They give some limitation, but what my experience is, RPA can used on all the verticals
All the verticals. So it is
because
also,
now
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. So basically, basically,
manufacturing,
yeah,
invoice
basically,
processing.
yeah, basically it is your skill. Where you want it is useful, you can apply it, right?
Exactly.
Maybe it is professional, it is personal, it is manufacturing, trading, and all activities. But you should know the tactics and skill how to use it.
Exactly.
This is very important.
Yeah. So when I talk about RP, because now technology is growing up, okay, especially when you talk about UiPath is fabulous, I can say. That's why your organization also decided to use UiPath. Why they
Yeah.
didn't recommend to learn, Ajit, why can't you go and learn Blue Prism or automations anywhere or Power Automate or Work Fusion? So that's one I'm talking about. When you talk about use cases, but I'm telling you major use cases I'm talking about, it is finance,
Finance, yeah,
banking,
yeah,
industries, okay, and what I can say is insurance.
sure.
Insurance, everybody have some repeated work, right?
Yeah,
Banking,
yeah,
they have a repeated work. Industries have it, finance, they have it, right? And
yeah,
when you talk about purchase and
yeah, sure.
sales department, they also have it, right? So everywhere they use, these are the major I'm talking about use cases they're using RPA. Okay, but why I'm giving this limitation, no, Ajit, it is cost, right?
Sure.
This is license based, it is not free
Yeah,
of product.
yeah, I know that is
So
very costly also
it
right
is
now.
very costly. So what people will do, every organization will think twice and thrice. See, when I'm a technical guy, I'll come to your organization, I'll tell that I will recommend, I will do if I do POC, I'll tell that you guys can use UiPath. Okay,
Yeah,
UiPath is license based. I'm telling you,
yeah,
that every month it is $9,000.
yeah.
For what? One control room, one orchestrator,
One robot
okay, one developer,
developer, yeah.
and three robot.
Three robot, okay.
That is bot runner.
Bot.
You know what is the cost is? $9,000.
$9,000 every month.
So every month. So you know that they will calculate it. $9,000 put into calculate rate today. So it is too costly.
9 lakh something.
So
9 lakh
every
per year.
organization will do the concept about return of investment. That is what we called as ROI,
Yeah, yeah,
return of investment.
yeah.
I'm investing it. What I will get back.
Get, yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, that they will calculate it. So what your organization think about it? Whether this is liable or not? How frequently you're using it?
Correct.
Okay,
And
so all this thing they will think about. Then only they will go and suggest. Okay, go and use RPA. Okay, now
yes,
your company started thinking about it. So
yeah,
sure, they will bring out globally,
yeah, yeah. That's true. That's true.
right?
They have already implemented it globally and already purchasing bots and whatever you are thinking. So
Mhm.
now they already did for Taiwan, China. Now
Okay.
they are thinking about India. That's why we are try to learn it.
Okay, right. So understood. Why you understood what is RPA? Why
Yes.
RPA? What are the use cases in RPA, Ajit?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So now when you talk about the tools about RPA, there are so many tools are there in the market. Tools in RPA. Okay. Like what I said, one is UiPath, one is
Yeah.
automation anyway.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, Blue Prism,
Mm.
Power Automate, as you said, no,
Yeah, yeah,
Microsoft
yeah,
product.
yeah, yeah,
Power
Microsoft.
Automate,
Yeah.
Power Automate, Work Fusion, Pega, like this, and works.
Okay, you know.
Okay,
I'm,
so Antwork is now Antwork is purchased by Pega. That is Pega. They are one company now.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the various products. So see, why I'm putting this in order, no? When I say that this is the top 4 product in the market.
Oh.
Okay, now I think maybe in 1 or 2 years, this product will going to maybe come up. Slowly they're coming up. Because you know the Power Automate is completely a Microsoft product.
Sure.
Okay, yes or not? Microsoft product means when you open laptop means which is the first product you're working on it. Microsoft product only.
Microsoft, yes.
So they are also initiating, but slowly they are coming up. I don't think so. They maybe come in second place or third place, but they cannot come to first place.
First place, okay.
The reason is UiPath is very fabulous because they can automate end-to-end stream.
Okay.
Ajit, because they have lot of tools. See, when you go to website, when you go to the resources, can you see resources platform? Can you see multiple platform? UiPath, Lambda, cloud automation, process mining, task mining, automation. There are so many products are there in the in UiPath. Okay, they are like they can work with end-to-end process. By one click option, I can automate the data from unstructured, structured, and then I can give a report, analytical report. I can give it to my top level managers.
So end-to-end means unstructured data converted to structure and then converted to report, right?
Which one?
End-to-end means unstructured data converted to structure, then converted and report.
Yes, that is what we call as you maybe come across here. Come down document understanding. Can you see? Extract information from the document and information images.
Yeah.
So that I can automate it.
Okay.
Okay, so you can automate on any type of application. Okay, there is no limitation at all. Ajit, you heard about virtual machine?
Virtual images.
Virtual machine.
Virtual machine. Actually, I heard, but if it is better if you explain more.
See, now everybody cannot have. See, for example, which are the clients, Ajit, you have it when you talk about your clients?
Our client?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know the Luby?
Luby. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now your client is Luby. Let us take one company. Okay. Some of the employees completely deployed to Luby. Like see they no sorry. Certain now all the companies are they want them people to work on their own environment. Like for example, like purchasing, sales, right?
Yeah, sure.
All this thing, they don't want to work in your environment. They want to work on their own environment. Okay, what you will do, you will send some employee there.
There, yes.
Yes or no? Now that employee, they want to work on their environment means they cannot use your laptop.
Correct. Now I understand.
Okay, they will give what? Virtual machine to them. They will give login details. Come on, login guys. All the purchase, sales details, all the data, whatever you're maintaining for our organization. Don't keep any data in your laptop. Keep all the data in our laptop environment. So what happened now? Every people now, I'm talking about due to pandemic, last 2.5 years. I don't know, you heard about it. Many companies are, especially India. Okay, India, US companies are, I think, now a lot of layoffs are going on in US. Correct. Now, why? Because they don't have efficient employees, so they're looking for Indian people, Indian or across the global. So they tell that I want my people to be work on the environment, but we cannot give the laptop to them. What they will do, they will provide you a virtual machine to you. So whatever process and data you're doing it won't store in your own laptop. It will store it on the virtual machine.
Oh, so how they work means laptop is mine, and then they will provide me login and ID.
Yes, exactly.
But data will not save in my computer. It will save
nothing. Yeah. All the authentication, everything, see when you talk about the data is more secureable, right? especially finance, banking data. They want it. Okay, now you tell me about the work from home, right? Many
Yeah.
people are working from the bank, right?
Yes.
Do you think the bank data they will use it in their own laptop? No,
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 yeah.
Ajit. Now every people are having the different virtual machine.
Correct. I
Okay, they
got
will connect through the that is, you maybe heard about Citrix.
yes, Citrix. Yeah, I got
Okay, they will log into the Citrix environment and they'll connect with the virtual machine and they will do all the process. Applications are hosted on the machine. No
yes.
application will be in your laptop. They will tell that just have some basic laptop in your system. That's it. They will ask you, just basic laptop is enough for me because you are going to connect through virtual machine.
Yeah.
That also we can automate it, Ajit.
Yeah. Also, we have one software VMware. I don't know you have.
Yes,
So
exactly.
sometimes we also work on the VMware for budget activity. It is
Mm.
just open. We can open login in our computer and then work it.
Yes. So you want to automate that process also, UiPath can help you.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what, that's what I'm telling you. You can automate on any platform, any application. Platform means I'm talking about VM. One more thing, you maybe heard about mainframe.
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 Yeah, I haven't heard it, but I don't know what is this function.
That is also one type of application.
One
This is
type
all
of
finance. Okay.
okay.
And Linux operating system.
Linux, I know that. Yeah.
Okay. So you can automate everything through this RPA product, especially when you talk about UiPath.
Okay. I also include SAP. Also, we can automate, right?
SAP default. SAP is just a window application. You can automate it. There is nothing wrong in that.
Nothing. Okay.
No, that is SAP is just it's a web application or it's a window application. You can automate it.
Yeah, because why I'm saying that because the bank, all the work we are doing the SAP. So yeah.
Okay, that also you can automate it. Okay,
Yeah.
so when you talk about, that's when I talk about, so these are the different tools are there. Now RPA, UiPath, that's only organization told that guys go and learn this, explore this product about UiPath.
Yeah.
Okay, so just I'll just scroll up. So you understand what is RPA?
Correct. No.
Okay, why RPA?
Yeah.
What are the use cases in RPA?
Yes, correct.
What are the tools about RPA?
Tools about. Yeah.
Okay. Now you are going to learn which product? UiPath.
UiPath, yeah.
Okay, just I'll put it here. This is UiPath. You are going to learn it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm talking about, when you talk about UiPath, it is completely a licensed product. That you know that it is not a. I cannot say this is any other company. It's not a micro-based company. But UiPath is completely designed with .NET framework.
Dot.
It is developed. Yeah, it is developed. This application is designed, okay, using .NET. Okay, that's when I told you, when you want to work with RPA, there is a RPA. See, when you talk about roles of RPA,
yeah.
Okay, you know about when you talk about the project manager, assistant, developers, like that, we have no role, no Ajit. Like that in UiPath also, see, in RPA also, there is a different roles are there. Business analyst.
Yeah. BA.
Business analyst. Okay. And solution architect.
Okay.
Okay. And then very simple, directly RPA developers and RPA citizen developer. These are the main roles of.
Okay. Understood now.
Okay, these are the main roles of RPA. When you say, when you ask any people who comes from the RPA technology background, you ask him, what is your role? Are you a business analyst? Are you a solution architect? Are you RPA developer or RPA citizen developer?
So I can say first three are the more technical, right? And
last one is technical, non-technical.
Non-technical.
Okay, so the business analyst, what is the role of business analyst? The people who do proof of concept, POC.
Okay.
Okay, see, you should understand about the product completely.
Complete
functionally about the product. You should know what is the capability about the business analyst. Okay, see, now let me take an example. I'm working in the X company. Ajit, you told that you're coming to me, Manjula, I want to automate my process. So as a business analyst, what is the first question I ask you is,
What is your product?
what is your, which application you want to automate it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I understand what is your daily process. I will see what are the application you are interacting with. And I'll just check which product and suits for your day-to-day process. Whether I can suggest UiPath or Automations Anywhere or Power Automate or Pega, I will ask, who will take care of all this work? By the business analyst. He will take about the infrastructure, license, process identification. Then once, okay, then he will tell that to the other person, solution architect. Hey, solution architect, this is a process they want to automate it. Now what solution architect will do? He'll create SDD. I think instead of saying SDD, PDD, process design document.
Okay, can you write STD means STD is
system design document, but process design document.
Yeah. Okay.
Design document. What is the process design document means? He will write step by step. This is a login page. Okay, in this login page, he will enter the username password. Once he entered this username password, he has to go to the next step. Next page will come. In the next page, he has to enter this data.
Oh.
Okay, the complete design over major, that means outline of the process will be given by the solution architect. Okay, when the solution architect designs this document, he will pass it to RPA developers. Okay, that RPA developer who can be, the people who work with the UiPath Studio.
No.
And this is for UiPath Studio X.
Understood.
Understood, Ajit?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is about the roles of RPA.